Dear students, in this video we are going to see the main points of the lesson. Human beings are dependent on environment to grow food, build homes and to develop better means of transport and communication. Humans beings have modified the environment. And settlement. Settlements are the place where people build their homes. The settlement earlier grew near to the river valleys as the water was easily available and the land was fertile. Settlements can be permanent or temporary. Settlements which are occupied for a short time are called temporary settlement. The permanent settlement, people build homes to live in. Settlements can be rural or urban. Rural settlement can be compact and scattered. The people in the rural areas practice agriculture. In the urban areas, people are mostly engaged in service. Next comes transportation. Transport is the means by which people and goods move. Within the invention of wheel, transport become easier. Earlier, donkeys, mules and bullocks and camels are used for transportation. Earlier, traders took the land route or sea route for transportation. Now, it takes only 6 to 8 hours to travel from India to Europe. Four major means of transportations are roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Roadways. The most commonly used means of transport, especially for our short distance, are roads. They can be metalled or unmetalled. Then railways. Railways are the fastest means of land transport and can carry bulky materials for over a long distance. The railways carries people over long distance quickly and economically, means less costly. The invention of the steam engine and the industrial revolution helped the speedy development of rail transport. Diesel and electronic engines have largely replaced the steam engine. Now, superfast trains have been introduced to make traveling faster. Indian railway network is the largest in the Asia. Next comes waterways. Waterways are the cheapest means of transportation for carrying heavy and bulky goods for a long distance. There are mainly two types of routes, inland waterways and sea routes. Navigable rivers and lakes are used as inland waterways. Sea routes are connected through ports. And airways. Airways are the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Some major airports in the world are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt and Cairo, etc. Communication. The process of conveying the message to others is known as communication. Different modes of communications are used to provide information, to educate as well as entertain. Communication is of two types, mainly personal and mass communication. Through newspapers, radio, television, we can communicate with a large number of people. They are therefore called mass media. Satellites, internets, wireless telephones are the main modes of communication today. Places where people build their homes are called settlement. Early settlements grew near the river valleys because of the easy availability of water. By and by, human settlement become larger with the development of trade, commerce and manufacturing. Settlements are two types, permanent and temporary. People makes their temporary settlement in deep forests, hot and cold desert and the mountains and practice hunting, gathering, shifting cultivation, etc. Under permanent settlement, people build homes to live in. Human settlement may be rural or urban. In the village areas, village or rural settlement where people doing farming, fishing, forestry, etc. Rural settlement can be compact or scattered. In compact settlement, houses are built closely to each other. In scattered settlement, houses are spaced over an extensive area. Houses are under settlement are built of mud, clay, stone, straw, etc. Urban settlements are found in towns and cities. People have people here are engaged in manufacturing, trading, and services. Transport is essential to go from one place to another. It is in these early days, people traveled long distance on foot. They used animal to carry their goods. Gradually, several means of transport developed. Although animals like donkeys, mules, bullocks, and camels continue to be used even today. An aeroplane is the fastest mode of transportation. It saves our precious time and energy. Our four means of transportations are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Roads can be metalled or unmetalled. Manali Leh Highway is in the Himalayan mountain is the one of the highest roadways in the world. Roads built underground are called subways or underpaths. Flyovers are built over the raised structures. The railways carry people and heavy goods over long distance, and the railway network is well developed over the plain areas. Indian railway network is developed in the largest in the Asia. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport. They are used for carrying heavy and bulky goods over long distance. There are two types of waterways: inland waterways and sea routes. Navigable rivers, lakes are used inland waterways. Sea routes and oceanic routes are mostly used for transporting mechanized and goods from one country to another. These routes are connected with the ports. Some important ports of the world are Singapore, Mumbai in Asia, New York and Los Angeles in America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa, Sydney in Australia, London and Rotterdam in Europe. Airways are the fastest means of transport. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Helicopters are used in the most inaccessible areas and in the time of calamities for rescuing people and other associated works. Some important airports are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt and Cairo. The process by which we are convey messages to others is known as communication. Newspapers, radios, television are the important means of communication. They are called mass media because we can communicate with a large number of people at the same time. Satellites have made communication even faster. Wireless telephonic communications through cellular phones have become very popular today. Internet provides us the worldwide information and education. Then means of transportation we can divide into four ways: roadways, waterways, airways and railway. Then roadways again metalled and unmetalled, subways and flyovers etc. Then waterways, inland waterways and sea routes etc. By this we are completing this lesson. We will continue with other lessons.